Hey people, so we are at Airo Cafe, and that is a. We ordered a waffle really, and but we've got a crepe, which is literally like a dosa. And if I were to take a look, okay,
It's so good.
yeah, the entire thing is for you, baby.
11 out of 10. So good.
Really? Yeah, that is so cute. I could just be. I think the light is not falling here. It's a bit dark. So yeah, you've got a crepe, Jono. I'm so glad my son likes that. So yeah, this is this cute little cafe, the Aero Cafe, and we are right here. We are waiting for the puppy yoga class to begin. So, Ayush, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
9 on 10.
9 on 10. Yeah, so this is a cute place, really. This is in Banjara Hills, Hyderabad.